of our brand new ADA LEADZ 2.0 software solution, which is the newest and most up-to-date ADA software in the marketplace. Okay, now here's a quick article before I show you the software. This is the software right here. I'm going to walk you through everything here step by step in just a second, but I'm just want to show you this article in the Wall Street Journal, which came out recently, and it says that lawsuits over digital accessibility, so about websites for people with disabilities, are rising, right? And then specifically here it says that the number of US lawsuits alleging that websites, apps, and digital videos were not accessible for people with disabilities rose 64% in 2021, right? A 64% increase, and it's just gonna get more and more in 2022. There's attorneys and law firms out there, and all they do is they check websites, and if your website or your client's website is not accessible, they're gonna sue you, usually at the beginning for $50,000, and if you don't act immediately, the follow-up lawsuit is usually $150,000. Okay, so that is a very serious threat. And the web accessibility guidelines, they apply worldwide. Wherever your client is in the world, they apply, and you have to be compliant, right? Now, how do you get more compliant? You make sure that you make your website more accessible. And we do it with our brand new website called ADA LEADZ 2.0, but it does much more than that. With our website, you can find real-time leads that are highly qualified for your agency. If you're a local marketer, video marketer, and agency, and you want to get more clients on board, you want to find prospects quickly and easily, you can do that with our software in seconds. You can create a beautiful audit and report to give your prospect something tangible, something high value, and then you can actually help them with a tangible solution with our ADA widget. So here on the main dashboard, you can see step 1, lead generation, step 2, audits and reports, step 3, ADA widget. I'm going to show you all of them in action. So let's start with the lead generation part first. I can click here on prospects, and let's say find prospect. Let's do a new search. I can enter here. Let's keep it simple and go with plumber. And then I can click here on location. Let's go with San Diego. As you can see, the search mechanism is powered by Google. So you're going to get the best real-time results. I'm going to click here on San Diego. And then in a second, I'm going to click here on search. And then we're going to look at the results, right? So let's click here on search. All right, cool. Now we have different websites right here, right? In San Diego. And if you want to check out one more in detail, I can go here to this website, for example, click here on this icon. And then you can see here, I have a nice format of the phone number, the address, the rating, the location, and also the email address, right? And then I can email them immediately if I want to, right? And send them the report, for example. And as you can see, a lot of websites here come with the actual email address, and we also have the website. Of course, here we have the name, right? Now, if you like any of these, you can add them to your actual dashboard to create an audit. I can click here on the plus sign. I can add a category. In this case, I'm going to save it without a category. And here on the right hand side, on the lower right, you can see it says prospect added, right? Now you have these prospects available. And if you scroll down here to the bottom, I can load more, and I can create hundreds and hundreds of qualified leads in any location worldwide, and then reach out to them quickly and easily, right? This is how easy and instantly you can find the actual leads, right? If I go here back to ADA LEADZ to the main dashboard, you can see here also the menu bar. I'm going to show you a little bit more about that in seconds. And if I go back here to prospects, I have them all listed here, and now I can create reports for them, right? And these reports are customized. You can customize them, you can change them. Now let me show you how fast and easy it is, right? So let's go with this one here, pickplumbing.com. I'm going to click here on create the report. And I can enter the website, or I can just go from our dashboard right here. I'm going to go with the ADA accessibility report. I can also do a performance audit, an SEO audit, or a best practices audit. I'm going to stick with the ADA accessibility right here. And then I'm going to click here on generate, right? And now it's going to generate that. You can see here audit requested, and literally within seconds. And now what I can do is I can head over to this page right here where it says audits, click on this, and then you can see here I have it right here, pickplumbing.com. And now I can check out the report that I just created. So I just click here on the view report button, and now in just seconds, it's going to bring it up. And just like this, we have a beautiful and stunning report and audit, right? Now you can see here, this is for the domain pickplumbing.com. We have the date right here. We have even my agency information, which you can customize, right? You can customize here the URL. You can insert your information right here, your phone number. This is a logo that I just added. And then here, more importantly, we have a beautiful outline of the report. We explain to them what ADA is and why it's important. We have visuals right here, images, we have reports in here. We even link to the latest news reports so that they can see, you know, in NBC News, Fox News, CNN News, how this is a huge issue for businesses right now.